Bonjour, welcome back to Get By in French. Nice to see you again. Comment allez-vous? How are you? So today we're going to look at some really important vocabulary, just a short list really today. So we're going to look at yes, no, please, thank you very much, and you're welcome. So let's have a look at these. Maybe you know some of these already. So the first one, I've put them all on the same board because there aren't many words today, so you'll be pleased about that. So the first one is oui, which is yes, oui. And you kind of like squeeze your teeth with that oui, a bit like when we said wheat for the number 8 in the previous lesson, do you remember? So oui, yes, non, no, s'il vous plaît, please, merci, thank you, merci beaucoup, thank you a lot, thank you very much. And in reply, if you say thank you to someone, they'll often say de rien, it's nothing, you're welcome. So let's just go through those again. Oui, non, s'il vous plaît, merci, merci beaucoup, de rien. So, how might you use these? Well, you're going to use some of your numbers maybe. You're going into a coffee shop or a boulangerie, patisserie. So you're going to say, un café, s'il vous plaît. I've put SVP because you can see that s'il vous plaît, if you see it written, it's often abbreviated to SVP. It's a long expression, if you please, it means. So, un café, s'il vous plaît. Or you might want something to eat, breakfast time. Deux croissants, s'il vous plaît. Deux croissants. And then they'll give them to you and you'll say merci beaucoup. And they will say, the waiter or the person serving in the shop, de rien, which means you're welcome. Okay, so nice and easy, just a handful of words, and you can have a little conversation. You can go and buy things. You can say oui, non, s'il vous plaît, merci, merci beaucoup, thank you very much, de rien. Merci beaucoup, à la prochaine.